Okay, good morning, grade R's. Welcome to the math lesson this morning. I hope you guys slept well and are feeling very good this morning. And I hope you're dressed warmly, okay? I'm so happy to see everyone joining the class this morning. So before we begin, remember our rules. Rule number 1 is do not turn on your video, okay? Because all these videos that we take here in class and everything we do here will be posted on YouTube. So for your own safety, do not turn on your video. We can talk to one another, but do not turn on your videos. And if you have a question or I ask you a question, just raise your hand, okay? Thank you. Oh, I'm so happy today and happy to be here. And I hope you guys are happy as well. So let's get started. All right. So today is which day? Who can tell me today? Which day is today? Yesterday was Thursday. What is today? Yes.
Thursday.
Is today Thursday?
Friday.
Yes, today is Friday. Today is what day?
Friday.
Yes, today is Friday. Today is Friday. Which day is today? One more person.
Friday.
Yes, today is Friday. Today is Friday, and the month that we're in is July. The month that we're in is July, and July is the 7th month of the year. July is the 7th month of the year. And we know that the season we are in now is, who knows the seasons that we're in? Which season are we in? Let's hear. Which season are we in?
Winter.
Winter. Yes, it is winter. It is winter. And we know that it is winter because it is cold. And when we look outside, there are no leaves on some of the trees. And that is how we know it is winter. All right. So here we have the letter W. The letter W for winter. W for winter. And that's what we've been talking about this whole week. We've been looking at things and things to do and how we know it is winter. And if you can see on this side, you will see that there's this dry tree and some snow here written on the word winter. Winter. Okay. Let's hear from someone there at home. What number is this? Who knows this number? Yes?
5.
It is number 5. What number is this? What number is? Yes, it is number 5. It is number 5. And that's the number we've been doing. The number 5. Everybody say number 5. Number 5. Yeah, good job. Number 5. And this big number 5, we said, is made out of wool. And we normally wear clothes that are made out of wool during winter, like to keep us warm. So it is also made out of wool, and wool normally helps us to keep warm. Okay, so we are gonna do number 5 this morning as well. So let us count. Who wants to count first? Who is ready to count? Let me see you raise your hands. Who wants to go first? Okay, let's go. Yes, Zara, you can go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. 1. Yes, your turn. You can count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's hear from everyone. Yes. Megan, you can go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Woo. I like it. You guys are up and bright. Yes.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Everyone can count. It's your turn. Let's hear.
Is it me?
Yes, Lifa, it's you. Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Okay, Entle, your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Bella, it's your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay. Okay, who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? All right, I think that is everyone. So now let's hear if you guys know how to count backwards from 5 to 1. We just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now, can you count from 5 to 1? Let me see you raise your hand if you can count from 5 to 1. Quickly raise those hands. Quickly raise those hands. Dum, dum, dum. Okay, let's start with... Okay, from 5 to 1. Let's hear.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Yes, good job. Let's from you. Megan. Let's hear from Megan. You can go. Can you count backwards from 5? 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job. Let's hear who else can count backwards.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job. Let's hear, let's hear. Yes?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job, everyone. You guys can really count, hey? I'm so proud. You guys know how to count 1 to 5 and 5 to 1. Ooh, very, very good. Let's continue. So now we are going to count the dots. We are going to count the dots. Okay, so let's see how many dots there on the screen. How many dots are blue? Who can tell me how many dots are blue? Bella?
1.
There is one blue dot. Thank you. How many dots are purple? How many dots are purple? Ente?
2.
There are two purple dots. Okay, thank you. How many dots are yellow? Yellow. How many yellow dots are there? Lefa?
Yes.
How many yellow dots do you see on the screen?
3.
Yes, there are 1, 2, and 3 yellow dots. There are 3 yellow dots. And how many pink dots? How many pink dots are there? Who can tell me how many pink dots there are on the screen? How many pink dots?
It's 4.
There are 4 pink dots on the screen. Thank you. And how many dots are green?
5.
There are 5 green dots. Thank you. Ooh, you guys are so smart every day. So there is 1 blue dot, and there are 1, 2 purple dots, 1, 2, 3 yellow dots, and 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow dots, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green dots. And we said the number we're doing today is the number 5. We are doing the number 5. So now that we've counted the dots, we can continue. Ooh, here we can see there are hand gloves on the side, and this side there are mittens. Do you guys like hand gloves or do you guys like mittens? Tell me what you like. Let's quickly hear what you guys like? Let's hear from you. Do you like mittens or hand gloves?
Hand gloves.
You like hand gloves. Okay. Who else? Do you like hand gloves or mittens? Yes? You like hand gloves or mittens?
I like hand gloves.
You like hand gloves. Okay. So let's see. How many hand gloves are there? Who can count the hand gloves for us? Quickly raise your hand, raise your hand. Let's see. Hands are going up. All right. Count the hand gloves for us, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. So there are 5 hand gloves. And who's going to count the mittens for us? Please count the mittens for us.
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. There are 5 mittens. There are 5 mittens and there are 5 hand gloves. Okay, let's hear. How many fingers are there on a hand glove? Who knows how many fingers there are on a hand glove? Let's hear. How many fingers on a hand glove? Yes, there are 5 fingers on a hand glove. There are how many fingers on a hand glove?
There's 5.
Yes, there are 5. And why is that? Why are there 5 fingers on a hand glove? Who can tell me why there are 5 fingers on a hand glove? Yes. Why are there 5 fingers on a hand glove? Hmm? I think it's because we have 5 fingers. Don't you think so? So there are 5. Let's count our fingers. Pick up your hand and count your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hand gloves have 5 fingers and we have 5 fingers as well. But let's look at the mittens. Let's look at the mittens. How many fingers on the mittens? Who can tell me? How many fingers on the mittens? Yes, Andrea, how many fingers on the mittens?
2.
2. Let's see. Is it not just 1 and then a space for all your other 4 fingers? What do you think?
5.
Yes, so there is 1 for your thumb, and then your other 4 fingers will just go in the big mitten pot. Okay, and that's what makes mittens and gloves different, because gloves you can put all your 5 fingers separately, and mittens they all go in the same place. All right, let's see what we have next, because now we have 5 gloves and 5 mittens. So let's see what is next. Ooh, next we have scarves. Who can tell me how many scarves they see on the screen? How many scarves do you see on the screen? Tando, how many scarves do you see?
I see 5.
There are 5 scarves. Yes, there are 5 scarves. How many scarves do you see?
Yes, and talk.
5.
There are 5 scarves on the screen. You guys are correct. There are 5 scarves on the screen. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? There are 5. There are 5 scarves on the screen. And we know because it's winter, we will wear our gloves or mittens, and we will also wear our scarves to help us keep warm. To help us keep warm. And if you see, most of these scarves that I've put here for you guys are made of wool. They are made from wool, and wool starts with the letter W. Wool starts with the letter W, and these scarves will help us keep warm. Let's hear. There are 5. If this is number 1, if we count this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I am gonna ask you the number for the color of the scarf. Okay, so if I say the red scarf is number, you're gonna say number 1, because we counted like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's hear. So the yellow scarf is number what? The yellow scarf is number,
5.
yes, the yellow scarf is number 5. And the purple scarf is number,
1.
look again, look again.
Number 2.
Yes, the purple scarf is number 2. Ooh, the gray scarf is number,
3.
good job. The gray scarf is number 3. What about the red scarf? The red scarf is number, the red scarf is number,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's count again. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the red scarf is number,
5.
number 1, because it is the first one. So the red scarf is number, the red scarf is number,
Number 1.
yes, the red scarf is number 1. What about the blue scarf? The blue scarf is number,
5.
Count.
Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the blue scarf is number
4.
number 4. Good job. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there are 5 scarves. There are 5 scarves. All right, let's move on. Woo! Look at these shapes. I think they are even happy to see you like I am. They have their hands raised out and they're smiling at you. Okay, let's hear. Quickly raise your hand and tell me how many shapes you see on the screen. How many shapes are there? How many shapes are there? How many shapes do you see on the screen?
5.
Yes, there are 5 shapes on the screen. And we have a yellow triangle, a green oval, red rectangle, blue star, and a pink circle. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Who can tell me all these shapes? Let's hear. Yes,
A star, a
yes.
circle, a
Mhm.
oval, a rectangle, a square.
Is there a square? Look again. The yellow one. What is this yellow one?
Triangle.
Good job. Who else wants to give it a try? Let's see.
Thank you,
Everyone.
ma'am.
All right. You're welcome. Who else wants to give it a try? Let's go here.
Rectangle.
You see a triangle? Okay. And please tell us the shapes on the screen.
I see a I see a triangle.
Yes.
I see star.
Yes.
I see rectangle,
Oh, yes.
and I see oval.
And you see an oval. Good job. Okay. Let's take someone else. Yes. Which shapes do you see on the screen? Yes, Lifa?
Oh, I see a triangle, an oval, a star, a, a circle. What is the red shape? I don't
Yes.
know.
The red one is a rectangle. Good job. Okay, one last person before we finish. Which shapes do you see on the screen? Yes, NJ?
I see a circle, an oval, a triangle, a star, and a rectangle.
Good job. Good job, everyone. I see you know your shapes. You know your shapes. The yellow one is a triangle, and there is a oval, and it's green, a red rectangle, a blue star, and a pink circle. And here on the screen we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different shapes. And it looks like these shapes are saying high five to you guys for getting them all right. So high five to you guys. And that's all we have for this morning's math lesson. Okay. And I will see you guys in the next class. So keep warm, quickly run to the bathroom, and then we'll be back at 9 o'clock for our next class. And if you or mommy have any questions or daddy, they can email them right here to me on my email address, and I will answer all of them. Okay, bye guys. See you at 9 o'clock.